Today we're gonna make a nice and simple potato salad, but not just any potato salad, we're gonna make the traditional German one. You're gonna need a bunch of little potatoes and simply put them into a pot with cold water and bring it to a boil. And while they're cooking, we're gonna take care of the rest of the ingredients. You're gonna need 1 or 2 small shallots and simply slice them really finely as I did here. Then grab a little pickle and also slice it finely. For the dressing, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cane sugar, a pinch of salt and pepper, and lastly add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Stir like a crazy person and then add the pickles and the shallots. Next we're gonna need some smoked tofu. Just a small piece like this should be enough, and simply slice it and dice it as I did here. Then we're gonna add some olive oil to a pan and start sauteing our tofu at medium to high heat. We're gonna season it with a pinch of salt and also some liquid smoke for that kind of bacony flavor. And when it has a nice golden brown color, you can take it out and set aside. Check if your potatoes are ready, and if they are, drain them and then set them aside until they're cool enough to touch. The best way to remove the skin from the potatoes is with the back of your knife. And then you want to slice your potatoes into slices that are approximately 1/2 centimeter to 1 centimeter. Then add your smoked tofu into the dressing and give it another little stir. And while your potatoes are still somewhat warm, you can add them into the dressing so they have a chance to absorb some of the liquid. And that bowl is starting to look awfully small, so definitely when you're doing this, use a bigger one. And lastly, you want to add some herbs. I used parsley because I had it in my house, but I would have actually preferred chives, so by all means add that if you have it. And look at that, doesn't that look pretty? And it smells really good in here right now, so I'm actually just gonna start eating. I hope that you'll enjoy this dish as much as I did, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!